Okay, so for this video, we're going to make the last part of our eye mechanism. It's going to be the handle that connects the brackets to the eyes. And we're going to do this using this blueprint here. So let's get started. So we're going to go over to New, Part, hit OK. Make sure you're inside sketch mode. Click on Sketch, click on Top Plane, click on the Line tool, find the origin. And we're going to try to get these measurements as close as possible. So I'm going to click, drag out to the right side to where we can find 2.8. I might have to zoom out. There's 2.8 right there. I'm going to go up 0.3. I'm going to go back to the left about 1. Now I'm going to move upward 0.3. Now I'm going to move away from that last drawing point. Now I'm going to move back, and I'm going to move to the left, and R equals needs to be close to 0.39. And move back down. 0.3, back to the left. Find those perpendicular lines. Click and then back down to the origin. And click on the green check mark. Click on Smart Dimensions. Click on the bottom part first. This needs to be 0.28. Green check mark. I'm going to do the edge over here next. This needs to be 0.3. Green check mark. This needs to be 0.3 as well. I'm going to click on this arch, drag outward. This needs to be 0.39. Delete all the extra part, green check mark, and then I'm going to tap OK. So the OK button is going to be this green check mark. I'm going to exit, sketch, go to features, extruded boss. Thickness is going to be 0.1, so we just hit the green check mark. I'm going to go back to the top orientation. I'm going to click on sketch, click on the circle, click on the plane here. I'm going to find the center part of that, so I'm going to find the origin. I'm going to click and drag out. Same thing over here on the right hand side. Find that origin part, click and drag out. I'm going to go back to my blueprint. So those circles, the diameter of the circles need to be 0.11. I'm going to click on Smart Dimension, click on the edge, drag out. These need to be 0.11. Same thing with this one here. Click on arch, drag out. 0.11. Now let's go back to the blueprint. The distance from that radius to the edge needs to be 0.19. So I'm going to click on the edge here, then the circle, drag up, needs to be 0.19. So the edge, then the circle, then drag up, 0.19. I'm going to click on the green check mark. Click on Features, Extruded Cut, and click on Through All. Green check mark. And now you should have both those extruded cuts on each side there. Now we're going to go to Save, Save As. Make sure you're inside the OneDrive. Click on Documents, the year we're currently in, the period you have in my class, the semester we're currently in, the name of the project. And I'm going to call this part Handle. And I'm going to give it a date. Click on Save. So if you have any questions of how to use the drawing tool or how to extrude or use the arch tool, go ahead and let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And feel free to watch any of the other related videos.